Healthy forests are key to a healthy planet, but climate change is putting forests under stress. A new system aims to track the trees' vital signs, though. VOA's Steve Baragona has more.
The world's forests perform a critical role soaking up planet-warming carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. But there's only so much they can do, says Antonio Brunori, head of the Sustainable Forestry Authority, PEFC Italy.
We are therefore in a historic moment for climate change because the scientific world is on alert, and it says, be careful. The ecosystem of the forests is not able anymore, as it was before, to absorb all this carbon dioxide. It has reached a point of saturation.
Forests are under increasing stress as temperatures rise. Trees are more vulnerable to pests and diseases, for example. That's bad for the climate. It's also bad for the timber industry. Forest managers need an early warning system. That's where these instruments come in. They're called tree talkers.
Tree Talker is a detector, or better, a series of detectors, which transforms ecophysiological signals, such as growth, absorption of carbon dioxide, liquid flow from roots to leaves, into scientific information.
That information could reveal when a tree is under attack from insects or fungi. The tree talker sends that information to faraway forest managers, says its inventor, Riccardo Valentini, head of the Euro-Mediterranean Center on Climate Change.
The tree talker device transmits data via radio, and it can transmit data actually very long distance, up to 1 kilometer. These data transmitted via radio are transmitted to the internet, to cloud, using what is available. If it's in the middle of the forest without Wi-Fi, it can transmit through a SIM card.
The data lets forest managers take action right away to control the threat. The device also tracks the width of the tree's trunk, so managers can keep track of how much wood they're growing compared to how much they're cutting down and keep their harvests sustainable. And the data will give scientists a better understanding of exactly how climate change is affecting forests and the role they play in a healthy environment.
From water to carbon sequestration from the atmosphere, from habitats, from wildlife and biodiversity. So forests are important. Forests are made by trees. So we need to study the individuals to understand the forest.
About 300 tree talkers are being tested in Italy, China, Russia, and elsewhere. This year, Valentini expects another 1,700 devices to be tested internationally.